Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Rodeway Inn, Choice Hotel in Coachella. And it's just a one king room here. Pretty good deal off season, off peak at 8,000 points for the night. If you can pick up some choice points on sale, that works out to about $40 US. And when events are going on during the weekend, like this weekend, they're actually charging over $400 a night, not only for this hotel, but for many hotels in the area. But this is definitely, this is definitely just basic accommodation. Coming into the room, you can smell a bit of air freshener. It doesn't seem too bad. Personally, I prefer not to have any air freshener smell, or any kind of perfume or anything like that. In the room, looks like we have some USB charging here beside the lamps on the king-size bed. Got a chair here, we've got a small desk, and we've got RCA TV set here. Fridge, microwave, some drawers down there. Got two remotes. One's probably for the TV, one's probably for a cable box or something hanging in behind there. A small coffee machine here, and some hangers over there, or at least one hanger anyway. Not sure where the light switch is, I'll have to look for that. Looks like kind of a partial renovation here. Oh, this might be the light switch here. There we go. And the hair dryer. Definitely an older property that looks like it's been updated at some point in time. You can kind of tell there's, a few signs of wear for sure, just with it being older property. But if you just need somewhere to crash for the night, and like I said, 8,000 choice points. Pretty good deal when it's pretty busy out here, and I think that's going to wrap things up. Breakfast is included, so we'll see if I bother getting up for that. I suspect it's probably a fairly basic, these properties probably fairly basic breakfast.